Hi guys, this is Dina. I just wanted to give you an update in case you forget how to set up your Google Classroom, because for some of you, I know you did your trainings a couple weeks ago. So the first thing you want to do is get into your Google Drive, and then we're going to slide over and we're going to go to this thing called the waffle. You can see it says Google Apps. Click on that, and you're going to click on your Google Classroom. There's going to be a different way to kind of get into it, but this is another way. There's lots of ways to get into your Google Classroom. You can see I have a ton of classrooms already, and we're going to actually have a class for each of our PLCs to kind of just work with as we work with the kids. But enough of that. For focus on Wednesday, you need to create your classroom. So you're going to go up here and you're going to click Create Class, and you're going to name it. So if I was Miss Beck, I might name my class 7th grade reading. You may, if you want to do separate class periods, you can. So you could put first, or you could do first period, 7th reading, or you could just do one for the whole class. You may just want to do one to start and then see what happens in focus training. So you could put section or you could wait because you can always go back and edit this. Then if I was Miss Beck, I would put reading. If I was Miss Miller, Mr. Cortez, I might put writing, whatever works for you. So I'll put reading for right now. And I'm going to create. I'm going to take a second. You can see creating. Are you excited? I know you're excited. I'm just kidding. And then it's going to pop up into this. At this moment, I haven't heard that you need to do anything else yet, but you definitely need to at least have your classroom set up for Wednesday. So if you do this over the weekend, great. If you want to wait till Monday or Tuesday, that's fine, but you need to have it done, and you may also want to go ahead and let me know that you finished it. Okay, thank you.